Welcome back. Previously we have walked through all the administrative features. This time we will focus on the primary use of the system: file management and sharing. For admins and managers, all file management tools are grouped under the File Management section. For regular users, these same tools are displayed directly in the primary navigation menu. Although the interface layout differs, the available functions remain the same. Since we'll be switching between users frequently to compare file management features, let's set the admin's interface to light mode to separate it from other users' interface. Head over to My Files. This is where you manage all files and folders. Let's upload a few files for testing. You can upload an individual file, or alternatively, upload an entire folder at once. Files can be sorted by name, size or modification time, in ascending order. It can also be filtered by file types, or searched with keyword. Let's move this spreadsheet to another location. You can either activate the bulk actions by clicking the box on the left of file name or click the three dots icon on the right to view available actions. Files and folders can be displayed in grid view or list view. Making a file public allows all users within the account to view it. This feature is useful for account-wide sharing, as it eliminates the need to share the file with each user individually. Next, we will share this dummy folder with Manager Charlie. Comment and edit permissions currently apply to text files only, which can be commented and edited directly within the system. They have no effect for other file types. Configure sharing rules to provide greater control and improve security. In Shared section, you can see this folder has been shared with other users, indicated by the small outward pointing arrow. Managing shared folder in Shared section is more restrictive than managing it in My Files. To prevent unintended sharing, files added after a folder is shared are not automatically shared. You must manually share any new files with the users who have access to the folder. We'll verify this at later time. Now, let's first confirm that the public file appears in standard user Delta's dashboard. In Overview, both storage and file count are 0 because no files have been uploaded to My Files. Files shared by other users and public files are excluded from this count. And they also only consume file owner's storage. In Manager Charlie's interface, the same file appears in the public section as well. And we can find the folder just shared by Admin Alpha in the Shared section. Look, here, the arrow is pointing inward, indicating it is shared to you by others. Noticed? There are only 2 files in the folder. The third file added by Admin Alpha after sharing is not included. As mentioned earlier, even when edit permissions are granted by the file owner, PDF files remain non-editable. However, we are able to edit this Word file. And add comment to it. Next, let's return to Admin Alpha's dashboard to see how these changes are reflected there. Open the file. We see that both the edit and the comment are now updated. You can star important files that need attention or follow-up. Archived files are removed from My Files and later automatically moved to the trash once retention period expires. Retention policy setting is an administrative privilege reserved for admin users exclusively. Once configured, these policies are enforced across the entire account. With that, we've reached the end of this section and completed the final tutorial. You should now be well prepared to manage the system effectively and make full use of its features. Thanks for watching.